This is Durga here. I'm basically a math tutor and also take care of a small food industry. So I have been having this knee joint problem from past 3 to 4 years, which has been developed due to my foot drop, which I have been having from past 15 years, and it had been very difficult for me to walk off late. So that's when we approached Dr. Ram Mohan Reddy sir, who happens to be a classmate of my husband in Osmania University, and he suggested to go for a complete knee replacement surgery as early as possible. I was ready for the surgery, and then we underwent the surgery about 15 days back. And thanks to him, here in the hospital, all the sisters, during my stay in this hospital for about 3 days after my operation, they were very good, very polite, and very patient with me. And thanks to Dr. Sir, so I'm able to walk, and I'm completely independent right now. So I'm really grateful to Dr. Ram Mohan Reddy sir regarding the same.